Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. That's right, today we have the 2010 Honda Element. Second to last year for the Element. It was discontinued in early 2011. This here is the LX. 171,000 miles on this Element. And it was used to transport greyhounds. So you can only imagine how nice it smells inside. But I suffer to give you guys some pretty cool content. The Element has always been one of those really cool cars where you can literally hose down the interior. You can take the seats out. These things are so cool, and they have so many elements that really would not be made today. I mean, you have a rear hatch, which I think, yeah, like so. Oh, and you have, I did find it, good. These have probably been soaked over the years. But original owner's manual, everything like that. You know, oh, this is a four-wheel drive. That's pretty cool. I'm not sure if they all were or not. But we literally took this in on trade today. So it's a wholesale unit, not for sale. I know you guys would want to buy something like this, but not for sale. This thing, 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 166 raging horsepower. Oh yeah. It's definitely been sitting under a tree for some time. It's got a lot of debris. Manual handbrake. Does it work? Oh, it works good. A lot of these older cars, the handbrakes start to lose pressure over time. Those are all the license plate screws. Those are going to be rolling around. Again, not been through the shop. It's a one-owner clean fax Element though. But when is another chance I'm going to get to drive an Element? This thing's a fun little box. Does need an alignment, whatever. Does have ice cold AC. Although I'm pretty sure it's blowing dog hair right into my mouth. And that's not very welcome right now. does this thing handle? It's got skinny little tires on it. You know what? That's not half bad. Yeah, the transmission's starting to slip a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. Listen, it's a 2010. It can have a slipping transmission. It's like you complaining to your grandma, "Oh, Grandma, why can't you run around the playground anymore? Just because your hip hurts?" Listen, she's been through a lot. I really hope this thing's not going to just be used as a parts car. This little car's been through a lot, but it's still got a lot more to give, I can tell. Oh yeah, I can get the transmission to slip on command now. Just gotta know how to drive it. Whee! Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.